My name is Alex Macleod. I'm an Adobe certified training instructor. Filmmaker is what I do. As I've gone through the journey as training Premiere Pro has gone through the journey of becoming, where it is now. And the more people that sort of begin to choose the Adobe tools for their post-production, the more people need training. But I mean, it's taken me all over the place, I was in Oman in January, Vegas, February, Moscow, Croatia, Portugal, all these places, mainly because of my knowledge with the software. So the Adobe tools are one of the biggest reasons for me, from a sort of TV perspective, why I would recommend certainly people look at them, is the ability that you can create stuff and sort of, maybe from an offline to graphics and back again perspective. The dynamic link from that perspective is really a huge time saver. And for me, as well, being at a mix codecs and resolutions on the timeline, creatively, I think the Adobe tools are unrivaled in terms of what you can do sort of on the fly. I'm a fan of tinkering around with machines, and a very good friend of mine used to build PCs, and so we managed to acquire a copy of Premiere Pro, I think 98 or 99 maybe. And it was like Final Cut Pro, but it was on a PC that I could have in my house that was built for the purpose. And I was shooting a lot of mini DV, and so content that I could cut at my house and not have to go to university to do it. So we would cut stuff at uni on the Macs that they had there, but at my own house I could cut using Premiere Pro. And I just sort of, I don't know, I've always liked it, I sort of, I don't know, it's an affinity, a bond, I really love it.